In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate paragraphs one by one in Google Slides. This simple yet effective technique can really bring your presentations to life, making sure your audience stays engaged and follows along with your ideas seamlessly. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser and then navigate to the presentation you want to work on. If you haven't already created your presentation, you can easily start a new one by selecting the blank option or any template that suits your needs. Once you're in your presentation, locate the slide containing the text you wish to animate. Next, select the text box with the paragraphs you plan to animate. You can do this by clicking directly on the text box itself. Now, it's time to access the animation settings. Look towards the top of your screen and click on Insert, then hover over Animation. This will bring up the animation pane on the right side of your screen. In the animation pane, click on Add Animation. Here, you will see a variety of animation options. Choose the one that best suits your presentation style. Common choices for text include Appear, Fade In, or Fly In. It's important to keep the animation consistent with the overall tone and flow of your presentation. Once you've selected your desired animation, pay attention to the option dubbed By Paragraph. You'll want to check this box. Doing so ensures that each paragraph within your selected text box will animate individually rather than all the paragraphs animating at the same time. This step is crucial if you want your audience to focus on one idea at a time. Now, it's time to fine-tune the timing of your animations. Below the animation options, you'll find settings for start, duration, and delay. For start, choose On Click if you prefer to manually control when each paragraph appears. This is often a great way to maintain pacing with your verbal presentation. Adjust the duration and delay according to how quickly you want each paragraph to appear. A shorter duration means a more snappy animation, while a longer delay allows more time between each paragraph's appearance. Finally, preview your animations by clicking Play in the animation pane. This step allows you to see how your text animations flow and provides an opportunity to make any adjustments if something doesn't look quite right. Don't be afraid to experiment with these settings until you find what works best for your presentation. So there you have it. With just a few steps, you've effectively set up paragraph-by-paragraph animations in your Google Slides presentation. This technique not only improves engagement, but can significantly enhance the clarity and impact of your message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps in your future presentations for a more dynamic and interactive audience experience.